Alright guys, if you've seen previous videos on this 1983 Honda Big Red, I mentioned I was going to do something with the exhaust. So everything was good, you know, for the main muffler part, but everything from here back was pretty much rotted. So what I did is I just cut that off, and then I had this exhaust pipe from a previous project. I think it's for because there's a sticker on here, it says GX 390, which is a Honda like go-kart engine. So the other end is kind of flared out like this, and that fit in here perfect. Just kind of, I just took a hammer and lightly tapped it in there, so it's a nice snug fit. And then all I'll do is I'll just go ahead and weld that in there, and it's actually like the perfect length. Once I'm done welding it, I'll put it back on there and I'll show you. All right, so this is what we ended up with. Got it painted with some Rust-Oleum high heat black paint, and then to cover up ugly welds and have it seal better, I got some high temp silicone. So this is meant for like gas appliance, vent pipe, and it's good for like 500 or 600 degrees. So all right, let's put it on and see how it works. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's mounted. Let's start it up. All right, let's get the plastics on and we'll see what it looks like with that on. And that's what it looks like with the fender on. Turned out pretty good. All right, thanks for watching.